From day one, 6G can bring deeper AI integration, better XR experiences, and more predictable quality of service.
Leadership in 6G will not be defined by one company alone, but by the collaboration of the ecosystem. And I'm joined here today with Apple to talk about the innovation we're driving towards 6G, with spectrum sharing as well as device intelligence coming for the next era of connectivity. So first of all, from your perspective as a device and a chipset maker as well, what is it sort of the triggering point to make you see that shaping 6G, that's the right time right now?
The reasons why we want to engage now are really simple. A new radio access technology generation takes years of development and hard work before you see the first products ever ship. So 3GPP is currently defining 6G, and those decisions really directly impact the device architecture, silicon development, as well as radio capabilities. So we need to start engaging and working on those things right now.
And as we look to 6G, what are some of the early improvements that you would be able to see from the user experience perspective?
Well, let's just start with the connected devices of today, or smartphones, because they're the devices that people use on an everyday basis. So from day one, 6G can bring deeper AI integration, better XR experiences, and more predictable quality of service that we have today on existing networks. As user-generated data really goes along together with immersive content, we think improving the uplink capability and capacity is an important aspect of 6G, just as much as downlink has been in years past.
Right. We see the same thing with the
Right.
uplink, the importance of the uplinks really increasing.
Right.
As we look to the collaboration we have on spectrum sharing and that seamless co-working between 4G, 5G, and 6G to create a really efficient rollout of 6G, what are some of the aspects that you see there with the importance of spectrum sharing?
Spectrum is a scarce and precious resource, and much of it is already in use. So for 6G to succeed, it really needs to coexist on existing 5G bands. And that's why multi-rad spectrum sharing is an important and foundational element of 6G technology. It allows 5G and 6G to coexist with spectrum sharing dynamically being allocated across 5G and 6G systems, as opposed to with fixed blocks. So this improves efficiency and, of course, enables faster rollout on existing spectrum. And we're really excited to demonstrate that capability.
User experience is such a core aspect to what Apple really symbolizes.
Right.
And as we think to today's 5G networks and how we want to evolve them for better user experiences across the ecosystem, what are some of the things that comes to mind for you then?
So that's a great question. For us at Apple, user experience is really everything to us. So we'd like to see, in general, more consistent behavior for the device, whether the device is at the edge of cell or center of cell. We'd like to see a lot more uniformity of experience. We really want networks to also be more efficient and service different device types, which we hope will really come to pass with 6G. And of course, privacy and security really for us are at the cornerstone of who we are as a company. And as networks become more capable and intelligent, we think that in incorporating these technologies as foundational elements of the radio access technologies is going to be very important for us as well.
Thank you very much. So while 6G isn't a distance destination, we're already on a journey of collaboration to constantly evolve, constantly innovate to drive the better user experience based on the amazing network capabilities. Thank you very much for tuning in.